Suganya, Assistant Professor in Department of Business Administration in Dr. S.N.S. Rajashree College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about what is C programming and what are the features comes under the C programming and what is the structure of C programming. We all know that C programming is a basic and fundamental and old programming language. So it is developed by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Laboratories in 1972. This is the basic introductions about the C programming, who was developed and in which year the C programming is developed. So we all know that Dennis Ritchie is a main developer for the C programming languages. At Bell Laboratories they have invented, and in 1972 the C programming languages is created. So what is the main feature about C programming? So it is too easy and fast to learn the C programming. We all know that C programming is a basic one. So this is the fundamental platform for all the programming languages. It may be of C. C is a basic and it is a platform for C++, Java, Python, R, etc., etc., etc. So we can also say that it is a basic and it is a world languages, old languages. So this is the feature about the C programming. So next we come into the structure of C programming. The structure of C programming is nothing but how the template will be of C programming. While creating into the C programming, we have to follow 6 sections. The first one is nothing but we have to define and declare the what is the programming, what is the inside we are going to tell. So this is the basic one. So the basic programming, the basic introduction about the programming one. So how the program will going to work and for what the program is going to develop. This is the first one. Second one, we all know that it is the header file. So the header file is nothing but the header file will end in a .h. It is we are going to include the header file in a C programming. For that we have to use a function. We have used a keyword or a header file called Asst include, and inside of the bracket we have to give a header file. So basic header file is standard input output header file, that is stdio.h. This is the basic and fundamental header file we have to include for each and every program. This is the second one. Third one is nothing but that is a main function. So the inside of that is without the main function the program will not be work. So this is the basic one. So while creating the header file, after that we need to include a main function. The inside of main function only we have to perform any calculations or any performance may taken inside of this main function only. The fourth part is nothing but it is the declaration part. Inside the declaration is nothing but we have to create a variable. We may create a variable, we may assign some value, and we may perform some constant value inside of that variable creation, and maybe some of the the variable creation alone may done. So in some places only we can assign some value in a variable creation itself. So this is the declarations of variables. So inside of the fourth part, the declarations of variable create a major role in that. The fifth one is nothing but it going to perform any number of calculation inside of that, and we can end it with the function. So this is the structure of a C programming. So now we are going to create a simple arithmetic calculation C programming. So for that we have to include the inside of declarations we have to add a double slash. Inside of double slash only we are going to give what purpose we are going to create the program. So I am writing the statement as this program is used to perform arithmetic calculation in a C programming. So just I am writing the statement. This is going to perform a arithmetic calculation in a C programming. Later we have to include a header file. For that I am using the header file as a standard input output header file I am going to include. So I am just writing the statement as Asst include stdio.h I am writing. So the third part is nothing but the main function. So here I am going to use a main function, that is void main. So the void main is nothing but it going to return some value to the main function. So later we all know that inside of that what are the statements to be available, it must be present inside of the curly braces. In curly braces, what I am going to give as, it going to create some variable. For variable creation, we all know that this basic data types have to given and variable name have to given. So data type is nothing but integer, maybe of anything, int a equal to 10. So this line states that it going to have a 10 as a value to the variable of a, which is a type of integer. Just I am closing the function. And I am just moving to the second line. So if you want to perform arithmetic operator, we can use one of the arithmetic operator is addition. For that, c is equal to a plus b. So I am going to add a value and b value, and it going to store in a variable called c. So this is the basic structure of a C program. So in this video we have discussed about what is C programming, what are the features of C programming, and how to create what is the structure of that C programming, and how to create a arithmetic operator value in a C programming languages. Thank you.